Hello traders, and welcome back to our Q's analysis class here again today on Tuesday, February 19th of 2013. Carolina Lezon here, a graduate student of the Grok Trade Mentoring Program. Hope you all had a wonderful long weekend and you are all back at work and back in the game and ready for some technical analysis here with me today. So let's get started. Wall Street finished the day here in green today with the S&P up 0.73%, the Nasdaq up 0.68%, the Dow up 0.39%, Russell up 0.96%, the banks up 0.72%, and Apple down 0.04%, and the Q's up 0.72%. Okay, so now let's take a look at the Q's daily chart and let's see what we see happening here at this moment. Wow, a beautiful test of that upper area of resistance up here, 68.25. And this is the second test actually that we see here. The first one was back on February 13th. We tested that area and we pulled back down, found support right here at those moving averages. And today we're bouncing off of those moving averages, continuing higher, getting stopped at the 68.25 mark. So what you have to do tomorrow and the rest of this week is put your trend line over 68.25 and watch it really carefully. Because if we do ever break through it and close the day higher, we could head up to that next area of resistance up here where you see that black trend line, or the next one up would be at 68.88. But if we do instead pull back down again to those moving averages, watch those very carefully. If we do also break through those moving averages to the downside, we could head lower to that lower area support down here at 67.20. So now let's take a look at the MACD. As you can see, the MACD is turning higher, is making a slight turn to the upside with a positive tick, a tiny bit positive tick. So this is not really exciting, but it is pointing higher. That's what I want you to see. And then the other thing is the volume. Look at the volume. Nothing really impressive is happening right here. That's not exciting. I don't like this bar on their volume because it is below the average and also a little smaller than the previous bars. So watch the volume bars really carefully. If we do ever see a breakout one way or the other, we have to see a turn on the MACD in that direction and also a confirmation with the volume, which would be much higher above the average. All right, so that's all I wanted to share with you today. Hope you enjoy the class. Safe trading to all of you, and I will see you back in class again tomorrow.